Hello everyone, I am Guna and today I'll be teaching you how to learn periodic table. In school days, when you are completing plus 2 grade level, 12th grade, you need to memorize periodic elements. Totally, we have 118 periodic elements. The number is itself very huge and you will be hearing, I need to memorize 118 periodic elements. Your mind will be tired. But you can memorize all the periodic elements in this simple way. In this video, I am going to teach you, you can use visualization and association method. And I will teach you up to 25, then you can go up to 50, then after some time you can learn up to 50, 100 or 118 also. Here I will be using visualization, association technique, and story method. So first you learn these techniques up to 25, then form your own stories up to 50. Then you can use this once you memorized 50 elements, you can use your own techniques to 118. I will give one more song method so that you can memorize 118 periodic elements at once. The way to use this video is first learn 10 elements. Story, form 10 elements. Then learn 20 elements. Then 1 to 20 elements. Then 20 to 30 elements, 30 to 40 elements, 40 to 50 elements. You need to familiarize with these words and the elements and numbers. After that, you can learn completely with the single stitch you can learn. Come on, let us learn this wonderful technique through visualization and association. I will be teaching up to 25, and after 25, I will be showing just images. You can form your own stories. The first element is hydrogen. The hydrogen cylinder is placed with the periodic element table, and it is the number 1. Number 2 is this hydrogen cylinder is tied with a big helium, very big pink colored helium balloon. The element number 2 is helium. Number 3 is lithium. You know very well that helium is the gas, lighter gas, it floats up in the air. It is used in balloons. Helium balloon, lifting this entire cylinder, and it is floating in the sky. So because of the chillness in the atmosphere, it is not able to spell out the word lithium. The third element is lithium. Where comes a bee? It is seeing a beautiful pink colored object. It says, it is really yummy. So be really yummy. You can call it as beryllium, the fourth element. And the fifth element is the bee started licking. It is found that it is only a balloon. It is not tasty. Got angry and it bores onto the balloon. Bores on. The fifth element is boron. The balloon is punctured by the bee, so it bursted into flames, and the hydrogen cylinder fell on the car. It exploded. Everybody thought that it is a car bomb. So number 6th element is carbon. This car belongs to whom? This car belongs to an army general, and where is he? He is rowing on a boat throughout the night. Nitrogen, the 7th element. And the 8th element is oxygen. Because of the throughout night, the army general is rowing the boat, he got tired, so he uses oxygen mask. But the 8th element is oxygen, but it is not actually oxygen. It is fluoride, which is present in the toothpaste. So the fluoride gives a lot of frothy spit, so it spits everything. So 9th element is fluorine. So once it is cleaned, all its teeth is cleaned by fluorine, it glows like neon. The 10th element is neon. You can stop here and you can revise the story 1 to 10 and we'll proceed further. Because of use of fluoride, his teeth got strengthened. So he got a soda bottle and started biting the soda bottle. The 11th element is sodium. After eating the soda, he sees magazines below. The magazine on knees. Magnesium. The 12th element is magnesium. While trying to pick up the magazines, aluminum cans falling from the cloud. The 13th element is aluminum. Who is throwing these aluminum cans? A silly convict. 14th element is silicon or silly convict is throwing all the aluminum cans. What is that the silly convict is doing? He is taking a fossils and going inside a restaurant and is telling that fossils for us, fossils for us. So the 15th element is phosphorus. Inside the restaurant, they hung a lot of furs, tiger furs. And all the furs are sold. So it is said that sold fur. The 16th element is sulfur. And 17th element is chlorine. Claws on, you can see the claws of the fur is on. The 17th element is chlorine. And 18th element is argon. One of the fur is in the shape of R. It is walking out from the hotel. So 18th element is argon. And where is this fur, R-shaped fur? It is inside a pot. The pot is shape of the ass. So pot has M, potassium. The 19th element is potassium. Then comes the 20th element. What is inside the pot? There is a Viking, gladiator. Inside the pot, there is a gladiator. All the people are sitting in the gallery, fighting with animal. There is calcium. Gallery, calcium. People from Scandinavians are called Vikings. So 21st element is scandium. Scandinavian country are called Vikings. 21st element is scandium. And all these Scandinavians or Vikings are traveling in a ship called Titanium. 22nd element is titanium. And they are fighting with each other. 23rd is called vanadium. To help the fighting Scandinavians or Vikings, one van is coming to aid the fighting people. So van, aid or vanadium. And from the van, one fellow is coming with chromium suit. From the van, one person is coming out with chromium suit. So 24th element is chromium. And what is that is doing? Is helping one of the injured soldier by placing mangoes on the knees. Mangoes on knees, we can call it as manganese. So you learned up to 25 elements. Here after that, I will show you only pictures. You can make your own stories and you can remember very easily. 26th element is iron. 27th element is cobalt or gold. 28th element is nickel. nickel coins. 29th element is copper tube. 30th element is zinc or zinc. 31st element is gallium or gallium sheet. 32nd element is germanium or German, Hitler. 33rd element arsenic or as. 34th element is selenium, the zinc. 35th element is brother's mine, digging a mine, brother's mine, bromine. 36th element is kryptonites. 37th element is rubidium in the Superman's head. 38th element is strontium, strong T. 39th element is yttrium, hitting the tree. 40th element is zirconium or zircon. 40th element is zirconium or zircon. 41st element is niobium, obey. 42nd element is molybdenum, molybdenum. 43rd element is technetium, technical nut. 44th element is ruthenium or rattan. 45th element is rhodium, rhodio. 46th element is palladium, laid an egg, palladium. 47th element is silver. 48th element is cadmium, caddy. 49th element is indium, Indian woman throwing curry. 50th element is tin. 50th element is tin. That's all from this video. You can form your own stories. You can learn up to 50 elements. Once you have mastered 50 elements, you can go up to 180 elements using song method. Thank you very much.